In 2024, a YouTube kid's empire crashed in theaters. Ryan's World made $1 billion online, but its movie bombed hard. This is the story of a $9.4 million disaster. Ryan Kaji, a 13-year-old YouTube star, built a $100 million empire unboxing toys. His channel, Ryan's World, has 37.4 million subscribers and 58 billion views. But in August 2024, his first movie, Ryan's World the Movie Titan Universe Adventure, tanked, grossing just $613,001 against a $10 million budget. With a 2.1 out of 10 IMDb rating and empty theaters, it's one of 2024's biggest flops.
Welcome to Bizilon, where we expose the truth behind pop culture's wildest failures. Today, we dive into Ryan's cinematic crash, his parents' gamble, and the dark side of kidfluencer fame.
Buckle up, this gets grim. From toy unboxing to $1 billion. In 2015, 4-year-old Ryan Kaji asked his mom, Loanne, "Why aren't I on YouTube?" His first video, unboxing a Lego train, went viral, hitting 1 million subscribers by 2016.
Hi, Ryan. Hi, Mommy. Okay, what you want today? What toy you want today? What is your pick of the week?
This one.
That one?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that looks cool. What is it?
It's a Lego choo-choo train.
A Lego choo-choo train?
Uh-huh.
By 2020, Ryan's World was YouTube's top earner, making $29.5 million from ads and $250 million from merch like mystery eggs and backpacks. Ryan's parents, Loanne and Xian, quit their jobs, Loanne a teacher, Xian an engineer, to run Sunlight Entertainment, adding sisters Emma and Kate to the channel.
Let's do this!
Ryan's got a new TV show on Nickelodeon.
I wonder who my mystery playdate will be.
The mysteries will be mind-blowing.
Whoa!
The messes will be massive. And the challenges will be cheesy?
Mac and cheese?
It's all to find out. Who is Ryan's mystery playdate?
The empire expanded to a Nickelodeon show, video games, and Walmart toys, valued at $1 billion by 2024. But as Ryan hit 13, views dropped. New videos barely cracked 250,000, down from millions in 2019. In 2022, Ryan's parents partnered with Pocket Watch to produce Ryan's World the Movie Titan Universe Adventure, a live-action animated film costing $10 million, partly funded by the Kajis.
Pick it up! Now you pick it up!
That can't be possible. Emma, Kate, I have to save them. I'm going in. Whoa! What's happening?
Released August 16th, 2024 in 2,100 US theaters, it follows Ryan entering a comic book to save sisters Emma and Kate from villain Big Bad.
Hey guys, I'm here live with my favorite magician, Dan Rhodes.
Please excuse me if I'm a little nervous, Ryan. I mean, it's not every day that I meet one of my heroes, or that he saws me into a bunch of little pieces.
You all heard that right. Dan's taught me some of his best magic tricks. And now, I'm gonna cut him into 3, live. How many people are watching, Aiden?
Hey, 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 everyone! I'm Aiden, Ryan's best friend, best producer, and, well, just all-around best.
Aiden.
Yeah. Holy wow, already at 3 million!
Xian told Forbes, "We invested millions to test Ryan's appeal." Director Albie Hecht predicted it would redefine creator-driven films. But the hype fizzled. Trailers on Ryan's channel got low engagement, and X-posts screamed cash grab. The film's first 18 seconds set the tone for disaster. Loanne does Tai Chi yoga on a driveway, a giant blue egg lands, and a garage reflection shows the film crew. Critics called it cringe and amateur. The plot, Ryan live streaming a magic trick, sisters stealing his magic goop.
Emma, Kate, hand it over, now!
And what over? We're just playing tea party.
Oh yeah? Can I have some tea then?
No.
Why not?
It's specialty. Hey!
Aha! I knew it!
We wanted to do magic too.
Released alongside Alien Romulus, the movie tanked, earning $420,049 its opening weekend across 1,285 theaters, 311 and per screen. By September 5, 2024, it grossed $613,000 domestically and $11,428 in the UK, totaling $624,429, a $9.4 million loss. 35th rank, August 2024, theaters dropped from 1,285 to 10 in 3 weeks.
Reddit users reported, "We were the only ones in the theater, and 3 tickets sold all week." A theater employee on X said, "Never cleaned a theater with more than 4 tickets sold." Common Sense Media called it an underwhelming influencer movie. Child exploitation allegations, critics and fans slammed Ryan's parents for exploiting him. At 13, Ryan's newer videos show less enthusiasm compared to his bubbly 4-year-old self. X users wrote, "He looks tired, let him retire," and "His parents are milking him like a cash cow." A 2019 FTC complaint flagged Ryan's World for undisclosed ads targeting preschoolers. Reddit threads called the movie child exploitation, the movie, citing Ryan's forced acting and parents' on-screen roles. Loanne responded on X, "It's about sibling bond," but fans weren't convinced, noting Ryan's $100 million net worth is likely controlled by his parents. Why it failed. The movie's timing was off. Ryan's World peaked in 2019 with Ryan's mystery playdate, but by 2022, popularity waned as Ryan aged out of his toddler audience.
Let's do this!
Ryan's got a new TV show on Nickelodeon.
I wonder who my mystery playdate will be.
The mysteries will be mind-blowing.
Whoa!
The messes will be massive. And the challenges will be cheesy?
Mac and cheese?
The film's generic plot, poor animation, and soulless acting alienated viewers. Some parents on Rotten Tomatoes gave it 58%, saying, "My kids loved it," but most adults found it torture. IMDb's 2.1 out of 10 ranks it among the worst films, below The Emoji Movie. 18th worst film if 10,000 votes. No marketing and competition from Alien Romulus sealed its fate. A sequel? Unlike Shion hinted at one, but X users quipped, "Who's asking for this?" The verdict: cash grab or misstep. Ryan's World built a $1 billion empire, but his $10 million movie was a catastrophic failure. Empty theaters, brutal reviews, and a $9.4 million loss.